Well, I'm not one to complain, Sam, but this is a fine romance.
With no kisses.
Yeah, it's a fine romance.
My friend, this is...
Hey, we should be like a couple of hot tomatoes.
But you're as cold as yesterday's mashed potatoes.
Yeah, it's some kind of fine romance. Sam, you won't nestle.
A fine romance, Jeff, you won't wrestle.
Yeah, we might as well play bridge with our old maiden aunts.
I haven't got a chance.
Not even a chance.
This is a fine romance.
Why don't we
Take
start
it away.
that wrestling business? Did you see that movie with Oliver Reed? What's that one I'm thinking about? Women in Love. Remember when they're... Yeah.
Not wearing a
wrestling?
lump.
They're naked and they're wrestling. How come we don't engage in anything like that?
It's never too late, Jeff.
No.
It's never too late.
A fine
Romance, my good fellow.
Yeah, baby.
You take romance, I'll take Jello.
That's good. I never read
You're
this.
calmer than the seal in the Arctic Ocean.
Yeah. At least they flap their wings and their fins to express emotion.
Emotion of fine romance with no quarrels,
Yeah.
with no insults, and all morals. Yours.
Yeah. I've never mussed the crease in your
Yeah.
blue serge pants because I never get the chance.
This is a fine romance.
Yeah. Not that we're complaining.